Looks like the Trump administration and Congress have reached a deal on additional funding for small businesses. We have Yahoo Finance's Jess Smith in D.C. with more on this. Jess?
Yeah, this deal is a nearly $500 billion interim coronavirus relief bill. And we've heard from Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and in the Senate and Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy in the House, both saying that there is a deal on this. And we still haven't seen the final text of it, but what we expect at this point is $310 billion for the Paycheck Protection Program. $60 billion of that should be set aside for smaller lenders. And then there's another $60 billion for disaster relief loans and grants, $25 billion for testing, and $75 billion for hospitals. Now, there is not that funding for state and local governments that Democrats had really been pushing for throughout these negotiations. President Trump says that could be in the next package that lawmakers would work on after this one. In a tweet, he urged lawmakers to pass this bill. He said, "After I sign this bill, we will begin discussions on the next legislative initiative with fiscal relief to state and local governments for lost revenues from COVID-19, much needed infrastructure investments for bridges, tunnels, broadband, tax incentives for restaurants, entertainment, sports, and payroll tax cuts to increase economic growth." Now, we do expect the Senate to have its pro forma session at 4 o'clock, and we expect them to try to pass this by unanimous consent at that time. If that happens, if they do approve this bill, then the House could take it up on Thursday morning. Seana?
All right, Jess, thanks so much for breaking that down for us.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.